EVs are more than cars, they're rolling computers. Giant touchscreens control everything from climate to charging. Advanced driver assist features keep you safe. Adaptive cruise, lane keeping, emergency braking. Cameras and sensors give a 360-degree view. Over-the-air updates mean your car gets smarter while parked. Seamless integration with your digital life. Music, navigation, voice commands. Some even have games and streaming for charging stops. EVs are transforming cars into connected intelligent devices. It's not just about driving, it's about enjoying the ride. Welcome to the smart car era. EVs aren't perfect, yet. Range anxiety is real, but ranges are improving every year. Charging takes longer than filling a gas tank, but fast chargers are getting quicker. Apartment dwellers may struggle to find charging, but public options are growing. Batteries are expensive and require rare materials, but new tech is making them cheaper and greener. Recycling solutions are on the way. The industry is moving fast. Every year brings better batteries and faster charging. Challenges remain, but solutions are coming. The future is bright for EVs. Progress is happening at lightning speed. The road isn't bump-free, but we're getting there. Electric cars are evolving fast. More chargers mean less range anxiety. Charging stations are popping up everywhere. Malls, hotels, highways, level 1 for overnight, level 2 for a few hours, and DC fast chargers for road trips. Apps show you where to charge, how fast, and what it costs. Some EVs plan your route, and charging stops automatically. Charging is becoming as easy as finding a gas station. The more chargers, the more people buy EVs, and the cycle continues. Businesses and governments are investing big. The charging network is the backbone of the electric revolution. It's growing stronger every day. Soon, charging will be second nature. When you look at the big picture, performance, efficiency, savings, cleaner cities, and cutting-edge technology, electric vehicles stand out as the clear choice. They combine thrilling acceleration with whisper-quiet rides, all while reducing emissions and saving you money at the pump. The experience of driving an EV is not just about transportation, it's about embracing a smarter, more sustainable way of moving through the world. Of course, there are challenges, like expanding charging networks and adapting to new technology, but the momentum is unstoppable. Every day, more cities and companies are investing in infrastructure, making it easier than ever to own and drive an electric vehicle. Electric vehicles aren't just for early adopters or tech enthusiasts anymore. They're quickly becoming the mainstream choice for families, commuters, and adventurers alike. The future of mobility is inclusive, accessible, and designed for everyone. The internal combustion engine had its era, powering generations of journeys. But now we're entering a new chapter, one that's cleaner, smarter, and more exciting than ever before. Electric cars offer advanced features, zero tailpipe emissions, and a driving experience that's both exhilarating and responsible. They're not just vehicles, they're a statement about the world we want to build. Choosing an EV means you care about the planet, value innovation, and appreciate saving money over time. It's a decision that benefits your wallet, your community, and future generations. Every new electric vehicle on the road is a step toward cleaner air, quieter neighborhoods, and a healthier environment for everyone. The electric era isn't just on the horizon, it's already here, transforming our cities and the way we travel. For some, making the switch to electric is happening right now. For others, it's just around the corner. But one thing is certain. Change is coming for all of us. The direction is clear. The road ahead leads to an electric future, and there's no turning back. With environmental benefits, top-tier performance, and rapid innovation, electric vehicles offer advantages that are simply too powerful to ignore. The age of gasoline is ending, and a new era, powered by electricity and innovation, is dawning before our eyes. As a lifelong car lover, I can say with confidence, driving electric isn't just the future, it's the most exciting chapter in automotive history. It's the smart choice, the right choice, and an experience that brings joy every time you hit the road. The road ahead is electric. Let's embrace it together and drive toward a brighter, cleaner future. Now, let's talk about the environment. Gas cars burn fuel, creating pollution and carbon emissions. EVs, no tailpipe, no direct emissions. Imagine cities with cleaner air and quieter streets. Driving an EV means you're helping reduce pollution every day. But what about the electricity? Some power still comes from fossil fuels. Even so, EVs are cleaner overall than gas cars, and the grid is getting greener every year. As renewables grow, your EV gets cleaner over time. Gas cars will always pollute. EVs only get better. Choosing an EV is a step toward a cleaner future for everyone. Let's talk about driving. EVs aren't just efficient, they're fun. Instant torque means instant acceleration. No waiting for the engine to rev. Press the pedal, and you're off. Smooth, silent, and fast. Even basic EVs feel quick and responsive. The heavy battery in the floor gives EVs a low center of gravity. Great for handling. They feel planted and stable even in corners. Many first-time drivers are shocked by how lively EVs feel. It's a new kind of driving experience. Quick, agile, and genuinely fun. If you think EVs are boring, think again. The first thing you notice in an EV? The silence. No engine noise, no vibration, just quiet. It's relaxing, making every drive more comfortable. Conversations are easier, music sounds better, and long trips are less tiring. The ride is smooth, no gear shifts, no jerks. Acceleration is seamless, like being pulled forward by an invisible force. Some miss the roar of a V8, but for daily driving, the peace and quiet of an EV is hard to beat. Let's be real, EVs aren't perfect. The big concerns, charging and range. Most new EVs offer 250-350 miles per charge, enough for most people. Daily driving, no problem. Long trips? You'll need to plan charging stops. Charging at home is easy if you have a garage. Public charging is improving, but it's not as widespread as gas stations yet. Fast chargers take 20-30 minutes, not 5 like a gas fill-up. These are real challenges, but they're getting better every year. The good news? Solutions are coming fast. Battery tech is advancing. Solid-state batteries promise faster charging and longer range. Charging networks are expanding rapidly, with more fast chargers in cities and along highways. More chargers at stores, malls, and workplaces make it easier to top up. Waiting for a charger is becoming less common. The problems of today are shrinking, and may disappear in just a few years. Buying an EV now means stepping into a rapidly improving world. So, should you buy an EV in 2026? If you can charge at home and your daily driving fits within 300 miles, it's a smart move. The savings, the performance, and the environmental benefits are hard to beat. The driving experience is genuinely fun and satisfying. If you live in an apartment or drive long distances to remote areas, you might want to wait a bit, but the hurdles are shrinking fast. EVs are no longer niche, they're mainstream. Test drive one, see for yourself. The future of your garage might just be electric.